Dragon Legal is specifically designed to streamline the workflow of a law firm or corporate legal department while improving the legal professional's efficiency. Quick and accurate speech recognition can speed the creation of contracts or briefs, emails, and other documents. The two demos included here highlight several important features. The accurate transcription of dictation with legal terminology due to Dragon's legal-specific dictionary, the ability to format citations, and the time-saving benefits of custom voice commands to automate routine tasks. At the top of the screen, you'll notice what's referred to as the Dragon bar. This is your heads-up display or user interface for Dragon NaturallySpeaking. This is what you'll see when Dragon is open. The Dragon bar can also be placed into a tray icon only mode so that it doesn't take up any space on your screen. For this demonstration, we'll leave the Dragon bar at the top of the screen. Throughout this demonstration, you'll notice that I'm using different commands that automate routine tasks, along with dictating into the applications such as Microsoft applications, for example, Word and Outlook. Something to keep in mind is that Dragon is not limited to only working within these particular applications. Think of Dragon as a second keyboard that you're using with your voice. Instead of pointing, clicking, and typing, you can now point, click, and speak. Anywhere that you can point the cursor and type in your keyboard is where you can point the cursor and begin dictating. Open Microsoft Word. Header, Stephen Jones. To begin my deposition letter, I start off with two commands to insert my header and a command to insert the information for Stephen Jones. These are referred to as text and graphic commands and can be easily created with Dragon NaturallySpeaking. This allows me to easily insert repeat information. October 2nd, 2014, new paragraph. Anderson. Dear Stephen, new paragraph. Please prepare for the Anderson deposition by reviewing some Commerce Clause cases, particularly 289 Northwest 2nd, 416 Minnesota 1979, as well as preemption cases such as 764 Federal 2nd, 463 3rd Circuit 1999, new paragraph. Within that preemption context, consider Home Rule powers plus related policy issues, period. Also remember that when a federal statute does not directly overcome state law, a federal administrative agency may do so by regulation, reference 257 Northeast 2nd, 97, 1993, new paragraph. You may want to argue that the defendant municipality has exceeded its powers in an area of statewide concern, citing 137 Atlantic 2nd, 1030, 1977, period. Signature. As you can see here, I use a combination of voice commands called text and graphic commands to insert text automatically, and I was able to dictate my text freely, creating citations and references as I went along. Also take note that the citation formats are completed for me automatically. I simply said 289 Northwest 2nd, 416 Minnesota 1979, instead of having to say 289 N period W period 2D 416 open paren Minnesota 1979 close paren. Not only can you use Dragon NaturallySpeaking to dictate and interact with your computer, you can also use Dragon NaturallySpeaking to transcribe audio files that you have dictated. If you have a smartphone or digital recorder or another type of audio device that can create audio files, you can have Dragon NaturallySpeaking listen to those audio files and transcribe them. Simply go to your Tools menu in Dragon NaturallySpeaking and choose to transcribe the recording. I can tell Dragon to transcribe the text into our Dragon Pad, which is a simple word editor that we have built into Dragon NaturallySpeaking, or I can tell Dragon to let me choose the window so that I can tell it where to put the text. In this case, I'm simply going to open up a Word document. Next, I'm going to tell Dragon NaturallySpeaking what audio file to listen to. I simply browse to locate the file, select my file from one of the many supported formats, WAV, MP3, WMA, DSS, or DS2, and then I choose Open. Finally, I click on Transcribe to begin transcribing. Once I click into my document, Dragon begins listening to the audio file and transcribing the text. Dragon typically transcribes at a 1-to-1 ratio, meaning every minute of audio takes approximately 1 minute to transcribe. Typically, though, with faster machines, we see this ratio change to around 1 minute of audio takes around 30 to 45 seconds to transcribe. Once the transcription is complete, I can use Dragon NaturallySpeaking to proofread and listen back to the text, and make corrections all by using my voice. Go to beginning, select first paragraph. Play that back. Sally Smith is 36 years of age, period. At the time of the incident, she was working as bar staff at the Red Lion Pub in Bristol, period. New paragraph. Capitalize Red Lion Pub. Underline 36 years of age. Italicize incident. Choose all. So as you can see from this demonstration, Dragon Naturally Speaking is smart and intuitive and will quickly learn how you speak and the words you use. Dragon enables you to complete documents and emails faster, with ease, and with less strain.